TableMate has a family of TV tray offerings to suit everyone's needs. The TableMate 2 is our flagship product. It has all the features our brand is known for: 6 different height adjustments, 3 tilt angles, and a lightweight design that slides to you. However, the key feature for this style is the built-in cup holder. TableMate Ultra is the newest addition to the TableMate family, offering the same footprint as the TM2 with the added benefit of a deep slot for holding tablets or phones, 2 openings for charging your electronic devices, and a cutout groove that allows a closer fit to your body. The TableMate XL offers more space to those who need it. The tray is 46% larger, and its base is 4 inches wider than the TableMate 2. TableMate 5 offers the same large tray space as the XL, plus it has the widest base, making it ideal for use with wheelchairs, lift chairs, and reclining furniture. TableMate for Kids is a table and chair set designed especially for little ones. Table adjusts to 3 different heights and 2 angles for any activity. The chair can hold up to 70 pounds and comes with snap-on stabilizers to prevent sideways tipping. Best of all, both the chair and table connect and easily fit into the included storage bag, making storage and portability a breeze. Find the perfect TableMate for your needs.
Best Choice Products presents the portable folding tables. Available in 3 convenient sizes, the tables are constructed with durable HDPE material that wipes clean for easy maintenance and powder-coated steel legs, while the convenient design features a gravity side lock for quick setup and carrying handles for hassle-free portability. Schedule your next party today with the Best Choice Products portable folding table, available in 4-foot, 6-foot, and 8-foot.
The Multi-Use Folding Table series from Costco. Perfect for family get-togethers, barbecues, or meetings. Our multi-use tables are made of high-density polyethylene, creating an all-season surface tabletop that can be used indoors or, sparingly, outdoors. Its durable construction and steel frame provide up to a 300-pound use rate. Folding legs make these tables easy to store and transport, and an easy-to-clean top makes them low maintenance. Costco. Smart by design.